Hello and welcome. I'm Stacy, your Disney hotel lady, and today we are looking at the Drury Plaza Hotel, Orlando Disney Springs. This is a fabulous property. We've got a lot to get through in just a few minutes. So this video is helpful to you, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. This is the Drury Plaza Hotel, one of the official Disney World hotels. So you'll get the same perks available to you at this hotel as you would at any Disney-owned hotel, meaning early entry and other various perks. We stayed in a king room, and here, as I'm pointing out, there are 2 sinks available, which is always a plus, even though it's only a king room. So if you are a smaller family of, say, 3, you do have this extra sink option available to help you all get ready for your Disney World adventures in the morning. I did not get into the gym. I didn't realize till we got home, but they do have a 24-hour gym on site here at this hotel. And there is also a store in the lobby with Pizza Hut Express that I also did not get but a couple of photographs of that I decided not to include in the video here since they were just photographs. But that it was a very large store with lots of meal options for you. And as you can see, I've pointed out several outlets around the room, so plenty of space for charging devices and with USB plugs, etc. It was a very, very spacious room, and the bed was nice and comfy along with the pillows. This hotel is relatively new, only having been opened in 2023, so everything still has a little bit of a shine on it. It's not overused quite yet. Here we've got a fabulous pool area with the pool bar and cafe. We didn't get a chance to eat here, but there's the menu for you. The food elsewhere in the hotel was just fine, so I would imagine the food at the hotel, at the pool bar here, is fine as well. So nice large pool, a large hot tub, and a splash pad area for the kiddos, and plenty of seating. Also just off the lobby, a nice large arcade for those in-between age kids you might have that get a little tired of the pool, perhaps. This hotel is also pet friendly, and you can pick up treats for your pet in the lobby. They've got a jar of biscuits for your pup or kitty. Here's the lobby bar, a nice large lobby with plenty of seating too if you need to kill some time before you head to the airport or the park. There is free transportation to the park. All the parks provided by the Drury, they have a bus that will pick you up right outside the lobby. It runs every hour, so just ask the front desk what time it's running during your stay. Free breakfast is also included, a nice large breakfast area, a varied breakfast, anything you could think of. They also have water, soda, coffee, and tea included. So you just come here to the 2nd floor for breakfast, and you can also fill up your water jug before you head out. And one of the few hotels, un-Disney owned, where you can make your own Mickey waffle, and I must say it was rather delicious. Always fun to have Mickey-shaped food. But then in the evening, this breakfast area also hosts what they call the 5:30 kickback, and they advertise that as snacks and drinks. But as you can see in the photo, we made our whole meal out of it. And during the 5:30 kickback, adults are given 2 free adult beverages. It's more limited than what you'll find in the lobby, but then if you need something else, you've got the lobby bar. So if this was helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button. And until next time, hotel guests, stay comfy.